How to turn off keep chats archived on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off keep chats archived on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find this one, chats, and then click here this one, keep chats archived. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click and then go back. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.